have accomplished. The time now 5:40, and Rob is back at the weather wall right now to let us know what is happening on this Wednesday. Rob, is the fog going to clear out?
That is our one concern this morning. The longer the fog lingers, the slower the temperatures climb, and I do think this fog's got the legs to stick around maybe past 9-10 o'clock. Some spots near the coast even longer than that. So we'll find a few areas where the temperatures are going to be maybe a little bit uneven as they rise, but eventually everybody warms up just fine this afternoon. Going to be a lot like it was yesterday with decent amounts of sunshine. And I really do think we've got a pretty good shot to get into the low 80s for daytime highs. A record high for this day is 83 degrees at the Tallahassee airport. We could get awfully close. Now we've got this dense fog advisory in effect for almost the entire area, save for some of the I-75 corridor over towards Hamilton, Eccles counties. I think for most of us, this fog is going to be pretty stubborn, at least through 8 o'clock this morning, and likely lingering a little longer than that. So just be patient out there. Give yourself a little extra time to get to your destinations. You know the vermin will be out there lurking. Always low beam headlights in those areas of fog. The high beam ones just make it even harder to see. Here are the temperatures around the area, from a 55 in Perry to a 63 in Dothan, Alabama. Most of us are in that 55 to 60 range, and I do expect to see similar morning starts tomorrow and Friday. Very warm for this time of the year, but certainly not uncomfortable. I don't see a lot on the satellite radar composite. I can't rule out maybe a little drizzle and mist in some of that fog. The real big stuff today is going to be off to our north again and way out to the north and west. They're expecting some real sloppy wintry weather from North Texas through Oklahoma and Arkansas and Missouri. And as that continues to move east, it's set up the wrong way to come into the southeast. It's moving from south and west to north and east, and that's the way those winds that steer everything in the upper part of the atmosphere are situated. And as long as that stays the way it will, and I think it's going to stay that way into the upcoming weekend, then we continue with the good stuff and the bonus weather around here, bringing in those warm southerly breezes, which will also bring in some of that moisture, and that's where the morning fog going to come from. Here's a look at the forecast for the next couple of days. That's a lot of numbers that start with an 8 for late February. I think this is the way it stays into the upcoming weekend. More of the bonus weather. And then as we get some changes by Saturday, Sunday, I don't expect to drop back into the freezer. And right now it doesn't look like we're expecting big thunderstorms. Maybe if we're lucky, we can find some scattered rain chances. Maybe. We've got a few days to work on that for you.